Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Sahajanan English Medium School, Nathej at Una. I am taking SS subject. Today I am taking the lesson of 6th standard. The chapter name is Map. Okay, here I will given the small introduction about the map. What the means of the map? I will given the small information. A map is a line work of any part of the earth drawn onto the plain paper. That means whole world we are not described. Here is this country, here is the water bodies, sea, whatever. We have through this show by the map. That is the main definition of the map. A small scale represented of the surface of the earth. Okay, it's a part of the flat papers. Others is called a map. There are three bodies. There are three organs of the map. First one is a direction. Second, scale. Third one, conversation sign. We are know the more information about direction, scale, and conversation sign. Three bodies of maps organs are direction, scale, and conversation sign. What the means of the direction? Direction means you are seen in the previous class north, south, east, west. That's type of say the direction. Okay, I will show one picture of the direction. So you see on your screen that is a north part upper. Okay, south is downside. East and west. Northeast I will brush so you can understood easily. Okay, I will brush. This one is a north part. Here is a south. Okay, east and west. That is sure direction. कि which part you want to know about north part? So we are asking in the map. You see on the north part, south part, east and west. So this type northeast. Okay, southeast. Here is northwest and southwest. This type of direction called a direction. That is I am showing the what is the direction. This is showing by the this picture. Okay. Okay. First one direction you can understood. Now second was a scale. I was told three organs of the map. First one direction, second scale, and third was a conversation sign. So scale, what the means of this scale? If this scale of the map is known, then and the actual distance between any two places can be known the scale. That means if you are staying Una, you want to going Delwada or Diu something. So you will given the distance by the kilometer. Scale means if you are going Una, from the Una you want to going Diu. So you will be say scale how many kilometers are there. So we know the 15 kilometers are there. But step by step the come. Una to Delwada 5 kilometer. Then Delwada to Nalia Mandvi is another 3 or 4 kilometer. That is a given the scale. Means after the distance you will show by the scale it's a distance. Understood? Now third is a conversation sign. One the means of the conversation sign. Letters, shades, colors, pictures, lines used in the maps, and we in the map given the more informations. Okay. Now conversation sign. What the means? Actually means of the conversation sign. I will show in your textbook what the conversation sign. These are conversation sign. That means from the symbol you can understood what is this. This is a sign. Now the definition of conversation sign. The map has a simple and the worldwide accepted language. Okay, there is an international understanding about the usage of these languages. This is called conversation sign of a map. Okay, what the means of conversation sign. If you are going and if some else, okay, if you are going in China, no, it's a very far away because it is a international. Okay, you are going into China, but you want to need a post office. So how can you explain them? Because your language and their language is a different, the communication is not possible easily. So you will be CPO, that is a conversation sign of post office. Okay, I want to going of PO, so they can understood because it is an international language. Everyone can understood easily what you want to conversation with them. That's called a conversation sign. If you are going anywhere, if you are traveling into the highway, okay, you want to need a food. So what you conversation sign you will be see on your, you see in your screen. I will brush this type of the knife and spoon is like this, so we can know that is a hotel will be nearby us. Okay, that is a conversation sign. If you want to go in the petrol pump, so far away they given the information by the board, okay, the petrol pump is after 2 kilometer, and what is this is a conversation sign. By the picture we show anything, that's called a conversation sign. So these are the conversation sign. Means mountains, if the mountain we will make this sign. Top, the top of the mountains, and the river sign, this is river sign. I will show by the bus. This is a river sign, that is a road sign. This is a picture of these things, it's called a conversation sign. By the picture we will show anything, it's called a conversation sign. This is made by the men's. Okay, railway, if you are going in the railway station nearby, they given this sign, that means a railway station nearby you. This is a post, this is a post office. Okay, that's are the sign of the state borders, international borders, capital of nation, headquarters, cities, they all are the conversation sign. So map is based on the three things. Map are base of three things. One is a direction, that means they showing this direction, and second was a scale, that means how much kilometers, how much steps. And we given the information to anyone. If you want to coming on my home, okay, you will be step this area, you are coming for this area, that is direction. After this you will be turn of this one 4 or 5 steps, or after 3 or 7 homes, that is a scale. Okay, and my house is this color and this color, that is called a conversation. That means you will give showing which type of our house is there, that is a conversation. So these three signs are depending on the map. I am understanding to you about this conversation, direction and scale, but in the our country world is a huge, so not possible everything can understood. So we will be on taking the map, how much countries are there, how much boundaries are there, which countries where belong of which country, which are neighbor country, everything we taken the information by the map. This is the introduction of the map. Now chapter will be started. Okay, chapter will start. When you're traveling by the road from one place to another, you come across the million stones which you read. Arrange the various place from your village to according to distance the table belong. Also drawn to the map of the route. Okay, beta, whenever you are crossing the road, you are going from your town to another place, you will be see on the road some stones are there, like this type of writing Una 5 kilometer, Diu 15 kilometer. That is a road. You will be cross the road. It is a million stones. Okay. Now you will be make the map of name of the place, and you are writing in any one place. If you are living in the Una, you will be going Una to Diu. Okay. So name the place. Here you want to write. I will show. Okay. Here you want to write Una. Okay. How much distance you want to going Una to Diu? So distance total of 15 kilometer. Okay. First Una to Delwada. You are going Una to Delwada. How much kilometer? It is a 5 kilometer. Okay. 5 kilometer is there. Then Delwada to Nalia Mandvi. It's approximately 3 kilometers. Maybe possible. 3 kilometers is there. So 3 kilometer Delwada to Nalia Mandvi. Okay, then Nalia Mandvi to Ghogla. You will cross approximately 4 kilometers or whatever. Okay. So how much kilometer? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 kilometer. When you come Ghogla to Diu 3 kilometer. The 15 kilometer was completed. So this type of the map you want to be started. That means you start from Una, Delwada come, then you want to turn for Nalia Mandvi, and that straight you are going the Gogla camp and the Divis camp. Okay, that is a route by the map. So you want to going in by the direction like this. Okay. Now you have prepared the distance table and have come to know the distance of the other village and town. If you want to doing Una to Delwada, Diu, so you make, otherwise you will make to another also. Okay, there is many maps in your school study, then we will be show later on this lesson also. Okay. Now, here is given the definition of map. A map can be defines a two-dimensional representation of the whole of the part of the earth, due to scale or the flat surface. The three type of the organs, I was told you, I explained already. We came to know the extent future of the particular region through the map. I was told the three type of the organs. I am using easy for you. First one is a direction, scale and conversation sign. Okay. Now the word is map. How can the word map is came out? How the map name, whatever the game name is given, how the map name made? So it is the word map is derived from the Latin words, the language of the Latin. Okay, our language is mostly we are saying our language is a Gujarati, Marathi. Every languages are different. So the language of Latin, okay, Latin words mappa. The mappa means, what the means of the mappa? The means of mappa, one handkerchief in your hand, okay, full hanky in your hand, but the small part of the hanky called mappa. So map, throughout the map we know the any one part, we taken the knowledge from the map. So the map, the Latin words mappa, which means a piece of handkerchief, make a list of the map. Okay, the name of coming from there. Now here is given the name of the map and given the information of the map also. So beta, the map of the two type of the maps are there, political map and physical map, and third was a weather map. So I will explain here two type of the main map. One is a political map and second was a physical map. This will I will given in the exercise to you, so you can know easily. This table we want to making into CW also. Map, name of the map and the information showing in the map. Okay. The name of political map. What the showing of the political map? First was a political map. Political map is a showing boundary of between two countries, means our country and beside of the another country, the boundary is showing in the political map of another country also. Okay, state of the countries and the distance, how much countries and their distance they are also showing in the political map. Okay. Third point is the political map. Name the capital of other cities. Other cities, name the capital of other cities, districts, nation and another country also showing into the political map. Second was a physical map. That means in the political map we want to showing state, capitals, cities, ports, another countries boundaries, that is showing to the political map. Now second is a physical map. What the means of the physical map? That is a various land informations. Okay, in the physical map they want to showing mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, desert, coastal lines, that is shown by the physical map. Three type of the maps: political, physical and weather. I was explained two: politicals and physical. Understood? Third one is a weather map. The weather map is showing how much the rain is falling, how the atmosphere is there, how the hotness is there. That is showing to the weather map. Okay. Three type of the maps are political map, physical map and weather map. Okay, political is showing to state, capitals, another country boundaries, and the city spots, etc. They have to showing. And the physical map, I will repeat again and again because you can understood what the physical map. Okay, physical map have to showing landform, means mountains, plateau, plains, rivers, desert is the part of desert, that coastal lines, that is called a physical map. And weather map has to showing how much temperature are there, the rain is falling or hotness is there, that is called a weather map. So three type of the map can understood. Okay beta, we will change a new page. Okay, here is showing two type of the map of Gujarat and map of India. Now, the whole part the India is given here. Okay, this is our political map. This is called a political map. India and Gujarat, both map on your screen. Did you see clearly? Okay. Okay. That is, here in the Gujarat, the boundary lines are there. See, this is a boundary lines. That means this is a boundary lines about the another state. Here is a Rajasthan. Okay, beta, Rajasthan. Here is Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. So this is a boundary. This boundary these boundary are called a political map. Understood? If I am asking in the Gujarat, this is a desert area. This is a coastal line. Okay, here is Narmada river. This is called a physical. This is called a physical map. Okay, if I am asking the coastal line of the Gujarat, this part, here is a desert area. Okay, here the rivers are there. Here in the Somnath, in the Junagadh district, the hilly and the mountains are there. That is called a physical map. But if I am showing the direction of this, otherwise I showing this is our state, Gandhinagar is our state, that is all things. If I am showing, that is a political map. So two type of the map you can understood better clearly. Now these two maps are there on your screen. Okay, now the two maps on your screen here. Okay, one is a Gujarat map. If I am asking, see here beta, this is important. Here I will circle on it. I brushed in. Here is written, this type of conversation is a China clay, and second was graphites, gypsies, mineral oil, ackee, cement and coal. That means I will given the information what is situated in Gujarat. That is called physical map. That means I am showing what is situated in Gujarat. यानी हमारे गुजरात में क्या क्या कहाँ कहाँ कैसे मिलता है, तो ये that is given the information. Information is a physical map. Understood? And here on this map, here is Asia, that means India is situated here. Okay, Africa, South America, North America, this whatever is written, that means a boundary of another country, boundary of another continent, that is called a political map. It's show first of all in this map have to another continent, means Asia, I putting Asia, Europe, Africa, South America, North America, that is a part of a continent. Okay beta, so that is a political map because it's showing a different part of countries in this map, and it's a physical map. Why it's called a physical map? Because Gujarat is a physical map. Why it's called a physical map? Because that is showing what happened in the Gujarat and which things are situated in Gujarat. That means plain, in the plain, coastal lines, what is situated in, where is situated in China clay, graphites. That is showing by this. So it is a physical map, and this is show the political map, and this is show the physical map. Understood beta between a physical map and the political map? So now let's begin another. Okay, here is a National Atlas and the Thematic Mapping Organization. Its short name is a NATMO, NATMO, NATMO. Its full name is a N for National, A for Atlas, T for Thematic, M for Mapping, O for Organization. Its a short form is a NATMO. That is situated in Kolkata. It's situated in Kolkata. These institutions creators the maps. That means they have to start the creators where the map is organization, map is making, map is given the informations. It's coming from National Atlas, the Thematic Mapping Organization. That means a NATMO. It's situated in Kolkata. The institutions are creators of map. They making the map. Creator means they start the making of the map, including thematic map like a rainfall distribution of Gujarat. How the you are seeing in the news channel. Most of the students are not see the news, but beta it is a good for you. You are taking the information from the news channel because later on you are very helpful if you are see the news see the news now. Okay, in the news the one weather map also coming. The rain is falling, the Gujarat is heavy rains. Sometime you have to know the cyclone is coming from the south part or the north part. It's coming into the Gujarat side and Maharashtra side, cyclone is come. That is all things given the information from that. That means the National Atlas, the thematic mapping organization given the maps like a rainfall distribution of the Gujarat and whatever they given from there. Okay, think and write down the information which is common in all the map. Okay, whatever I will given the you have to be write down the common in all the map. For example, scale, north, south direction, etc. Okay beta, this lesson is completed one part. This lecture is taking in the one part, and later on next lecture we will be given the second part of this lesson. Okay, you can read twice time of this lesson and can understanding about this. I will showing to definition of the map, the organs of three type of the organs of the map: direction, scales and conversation. And what the means of the direction? That means you will be taken the east, west, north side, which way you want to be see, that is a direction. Scale means how much kilometer, how much scales, how much kilometer is there, that is called a scale. That means if we are saying our Gujarat have a coastal line, how much kilometer coastal line of our Gujarat? 1600 coastal line. That is a scale of our coastal line, Gujarat coastal line. Our Gujarat coastal line is a too much huge coastal line in India. Okay, so 1600 kilometer, that is a scale. And conversation sign means given the symbol by understanding. Okay, that is a graph, that is a phone booth, it is a railway platform, it is a railway station, road, petrol pump is nearby you. That is a showing by the picture. That's called a conversation sign. So this lesson will stop here now, and another lecture we will be completed this lesson. And beta be stay at your home and be happy and have a nice day. Thank you.